Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to get your routing number on Cash App for direct deposit. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and get your routing number so that you can send it to your employer so that you can start receiving direct deposits. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. In order to do this, what we're first going to do is open up Cash App. Then what you're going to do is that you want to go ahead and click on the number sign on the bottom left hand corner. Then you're going to reach this page that looks like this. Go ahead and click on paychecks where it says get benefits with direct deposit, and then click on set up direct deposit. Once you've done so, you'll see here that's blurred out, but you can see your routing and account information, and you could also fill out a form in order to send it to your employer, and then they'll handle the rest. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and get your routing number on Cash App for direct deposit. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.